Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk you about Tag Editor. When you listen to your music on an old iPod or cell phone, there are the options to select for example, the artist, the album, to better see your music in categories. MP3 Tag is an app tag editor that allows you to do exactly that. With the check icon, you can select where to find your music, and it will show you the music in this tab. You can write the title, the artist, album, year, track, genre, number of the track. If you downloaded an album, you could change the image to better organize your music and easily find it more easily on your phone. This application works on Windows from XP to 7, 8 and 10, XP Service Pack 3. As you can see, if I go to that folder, in artist and album, there is written the names because we wrote the names thanks to this piece of software, and it will make your musical audio file live much better. See you later, guys.